Got it on me. Alright, good morning! We're going fishing. Come on, Villa, get in here. I'm excited! Yeah, the weather is kind of crazy, so we don't even know for real, for real. For real, for real. If it's gonna happen. Because you know, you can't go fishing in bad weather. Let's check the weather forecast. It's gonna be cloudy, no rain. 87 degrees today. Woo, it's gonna be hot. Anyways, I'll be back to update you guys. Did you bring the trees? We moving, y'all. Villa's catching all the fish.
Don't do the top. Spines fish. The screw. 3.
Wow. Villa just out here winning. Don't drop it in the water.
Now, that's the one you push forward. Make it look. Right there.
Ooh, ooh.
Looks big, huh?
Can he keep this one?
Now, Hunter. Captain Hunter. And this is Dante.
Captain Dante.
First mate. You need to get the captain stats.
What is it? First what?
First mate.
First one.
Or mate. Or deckhand.
Another one. Oh, are we still on?
Is it? Oh yeah, nice. Easy, easy. Alright, just back up and reel a little bit more.
And I got it on camera.